Hey guys, my name is Mike Kewell. What's the best way to rank locally? Great question. Actually, this is a lot easier said than done, but I'm going to try my best and I'm going to give you guys all the answers in this video right here. You know what? Let's just skip all the fluff and just jump right in. What's the best way to rank locally? So if you're a local small business or maybe you're a local micro business and you sell a service based out of your house. So what's the best way to get found locally? And it's not paid ads. It's not what you think. A lot of people actually build a website and they set up a PPC, like they set up a Google Ads campaign, and they pay a monthly service to get found locally. And that is a very fast way of getting found online, but you have to pay for it. A better way, in my opinion, is to build really great content. And it's a longer term strategy, but it's a great way to actually incentivize people. Actually, one of the best ways to get found online right now, especially for your local business, is setting up a Google My Business profile and then incentivizing people by creating posts. So if you can optimize your Google My Business profile and then create posts every single day consistently for the next 30, 60, 90 days, more and more people will be able to discover the content you offer. And Google will recognize this because all Google really cares about is providing people with a great experience. And if you're doing that for Google and Google's seeing that people are visiting your local listing, you're going to pop up more often. And you can do this for any business, any micro or small business. And when I say micro, guys, I'm actually referring to a lot of those businesses that are a great side hustle, or maybe they make up your full-time income, but they're just making up to $1 million a year. So I know there's like a big differentiator. I mean, a lot of people think of small businesses as like the businesses around you, and that's true. It's true, there are a lot of small businesses, but there are also small businesses that make up $50 million a year, and there's also small businesses that make up $150,000 a year. So how do you really differentiate that? So I like to differentiate, micro, small, medium, and then chains, and then large businesses, because it helps you guys understand what kinds of businesses are out there and what kind of business category yours fit in. And so for the micro to small businesses, a lot of these strategies apply because as you're starting to grow and customers are visiting your locations, one of the best ways to actually get found quickly is by creating that Google My Business listing and then really focusing on creating, optimizing it. So you're optimizing all your photos, optimizing all your videos, and what that means is going into every photo, into all the properties, and optimizing the title, the subject, giving it 5 stars. Yeah, that's right. I mean, you can literally go into a photo on your hard drive, whether you have a Mac or a Windows operating system, go into the properties and then change all the attributes. And so that way when they actually look at your photos online, Google knows what the photo is, what kind of content people are looking for, and it helps you get found. And that's actually one of the greatest strategies there. Many people don't know about this. That's how Google identifies what you're selling. I mean, because if you just post a random photo on your Google My Business listing, Google doesn't really know what the photo is. Google only knows what it is when you actually use the metadata in the properties of the photo, and then based on the properties of the photo, it knows the name of the photo, the subject, it knows maybe a couple tags that you've used. It can identify the photo. It can also identify the photo by the name of it. So make sure you rename the photo, and so that way on your hard drive, or before you're uploading the photos to your Google My Business, you're renaming the photo. So that way that Google knows what that photo actually contains, and it'll help that business get found. And if you guys need more strategies on that, I've got a ton of videos that will really help you guys out optimizing your listing. But the best way to optimize your listing is by just doing exactly what I just said about 30 seconds ago. You can just go in there, optimize every single photo, optimize your videos, and make sure that they're getting found online by Google based on your title, your subject, your tags, and even the comment section. There's a little comment section. You can change all of that. And make sure, one last thing, guys, make sure that all of your photos and videos are geotagged. And so what this means is when you geotag them, they also have the GPS coordinates of the photo. And so, for instance, if you have a Google Pixel 2 XL, or if you have most of the newer phones, they actually use the GPS location if your location services are turned on, and they allow you to get found they actually allow the photo to get tagged with the GPS location, and that gets you found way more often because now Google knows that photo is taken at that location and it represents a real photo of the location, or of a product or of a service of the location. And that is incredibly powerful. That is what really helps you get found online more often, and it helps boost you in local search. All right, guys, hope this video has helped you guys out. If it has, like this video. If it hasn't, comment below and tell me why. And please subscribe to this channel. I'm going to keep on releasing more great videos just like this to help you guys out with your local small business. I hope this video has helped you out. Continue watching my content, and please do support me by liking this video. It really does help me push this content out to other people who really could benefit from this material. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video.